I go to school every day. I go to school every day. My school is near my house. My school is near my house. I like my school very much. I like my school very much. My school starts at 7 o'clock. My school starts at 7 o'clock.
I wear a uniform to school. I wear a uniform to school.
I carry my backpack to school. I carry my backpack to school.
I meet my friends at school. I meet my friends at school.
Our classroom is clean and bright. Our classroom is clean and bright.
The teacher is very kind. The teacher is very kind.
The teacher explains the lesson clearly. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. I listen carefully in class. I listen carefully in class. I raise my hand to answer questions. I raise my hand to answer questions. I write notes in my notebook. I write notes in my notebook. We study English at school. We study English at school. Math is my favorite subject. Math is my favorite subject. I read books in the library. I read books in the library. We have homework every day. We have homework every day. I finish my homework at home. I finish my homework at home. I finish my homework at home. We take a break between classes. We take a break between classes. I eat lunch at the school cafeteria. I eat lunch at the school cafeteria.
I talk with my classmates. I talk with my classmates.
We play together during recess. We play together during recess. The school bell rings loudly. The school bell rings loudly. I learn new things every day. I learn new things every day. I ask the teacher for help. I ask the teacher for help. We have exams at the end of the term. We have exams at the end of the term. I feel nervous before a test. I feel nervous before a test. I feel happy when I get good grades. I feel happy when I get good grades. After school, I go home. After school, I go home. I review my lessons at night. I review my lessons at night. I bring my books to class. I bring my books to class. I sit quietly during the lesson. I sit quietly during the lesson. The classroom has many desks and chairs. The classroom has many desks and chairs. I respect my teachers and friends. I respect my teachers and friends. We study science and history. We study science and history. I enjoy group activities. I enjoy group activities. School helps me learn and grow. School helps me learn and grow.
I try my best every day. I try my best every day.
Learning is fun at school. Learning is fun at school.
I love going to school. I love going to school.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.